Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. I usually want to start the day early in the morning so that, I can see the sunrise, I can have time to reflect, and at the same time, I can have time to check on other things pagkatapos kong ginawa yung mga early routines ko. So, this morning, isip tayo kung ano yung almusal natin, and good enough, may pinadala sa atin si Fresh Options ng kanilang mga ready-to-eat ulams. Let's go to our refrigerator here. Eto. Okay, so ito yung ref natin, and ito yung mga products na pinadala ni Fresh Options sa atin. So if you notice guys, ito ang tawag nilang Ulam Mismo. These are dishes na ready to eat. As of now, they sent us like 10 packs. Variants nila guys ay may pork sisig. Alam nila na favorite natin yung pork sisig. And then meron ding Bicol Express. Check that out. Bicol Express. We also have pork dinuguan. And then chicken hamonado. Wow. Ulam Mismo. And then lastly, meron din tayong beef caldereta. Yan. So, during this time of quarantine, actually, they can deliver this right to your houses. Just make sure to contact po yung fan page nila or the number we're gonna be sharing with you so that you can have these amazing Ulam Mismo packs straight to your doorsteps. So, ano yung pipiliin natin for today? This morning, I think, masarap yung chicken hamonado. Oh, man. Chicken hamonado. So, yeah, let's put it in the microwave oven. Let's go! So there you have it guys, have an ulam mismo in the morning or even during your lunch and dinner. Get these ulam mismo package from any Fresh Option branch nearest you or call this number and order a delivery straight to your houses. Thank you so much for watching Here in Pampanga. Check out for our ulam mismo part 2 next time.
As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you and